The objective of this video is to show you how to complete a map study guide. If you have opened up this assignment, you should have already completed the vocab notes, which is the main portion of the lesson. A lot of the words we'll be using to complete the map study guide, you would have learned within this lesson. So if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and go back to Canvas and complete that first. Map study guide is going to help you learn how to find absolute and relative location for continents, countries, states, and eventually different mountain ranges and rivers and other physical features on our planet. To complete this map study guide, you'll need to go back into the assignments and open up the maps page. Here we have a world map with continents and oceans on it. We have another world map that has the borders for all the different countries in the world. The names aren't there, so if you need help with the names, you can do a Google search. Then we have a United States map showing us the states. And all of these maps have lines of latitude. Those are the ones that go east and west, and they help us measure how far we are north or south of the equator. And then we have lines of longitude. They run north and south, and they measure how far we are going east or west of the prime meridian, which is this line here, 0 degrees. So we've got the equator at 0 degrees, dividing north and south. We have the prime meridian at 0 degrees, dividing east from west. So back to the map study guide. The example that's already been done for you is North America. For the absolute location, we have 40 degrees north, 100 degrees west. So how did we find that? If we look at North America right here, all you have to do is look over to the left and we see 40 degrees. Now, how do I know it's 40 degrees north? I know it's 40 degrees north because the equator is here, and if we're traveling up on the page, we're traveling north on the page. So we have 40 degrees north. Go back to North America, follow the curved line to the top. We have 100 degrees west because we are west of the prime meridian. So you type that in like this, 40 north, 100 west. Let's do South America together now. So I put my mouse on South America and I go over to the left. I see that we're at 20 degrees. We're below the equator, so it's going to be 20 degrees south. Let's go ahead and type that part in. South, comma. I'll put the mouse back on South America. Follow that curved line up to the top, and we are at 60 degrees west because we are west of the prime meridian. So we'll put 60 west. Let's do one more. We're going over here to Europe. Now there's not a line that goes directly through Europe, but we're still going to follow the map over to the side. And now I can see I'm in the middle of 40 degrees north and 60 degrees north. So if I think to myself, what's the middle of 40 and 60? It's going to be 50 degrees north. So 50 north, comma, space. There is a line going through it, a line of longitude going through it, so we can just follow that one up. And we're at 20 degrees east because we're on the right side of the prime meridian, so 20 degrees east. That's basically how you do absolute location. Let's look at relative location for these three. North America. Here's North America. I need to decide where North America is in relation to another place. So I'm just going to put myself somewhere else. If I'm here in the Atlantic Ocean, which direction do I go to get to North America? And if we're traveling left on a map, most often that means we're traveling west. So North America is west of the Atlantic Ocean. So on the page, I just typed W of Atlantic Ocean for west of Atlantic Ocean. If you have any questions about that, you can check the 2 videos on the assignment or email your teacher for help.